Coda and Slack, two giants in the productivity space, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Coda, the all-in-one collaborative workspace. And on the right, Slack, the team communication hub. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's the game plan. Let's look at everything that matters. We've got communication, documentation and spreadsheets, project management, pricing, and integrations. These categories are where it gets real. I'll walk you through each one. Ready? Okay, so let's kick things off with communication. Starting with Coda, it's got an integrated comment system, which is neat for collaborating on docs and keeping tasks updated. But here's the thing, group chat stuff, yeah, it's kind of limited. Now, moving on to Slack, this is its bread and butter, right? Advanced messaging features, tons of community integrations, you name it. The only catch, sometimes it's just a lot. Info overload is real. But hey, when it comes to pure communication features, Slack's absolutely the winner here. Not even close. Now, shifting gears, documentation and spreadsheets. Let's talk Coda first. Oh, let me tell you, it blows the roof off with powerful doc and spreadsheet tools. Customizable templates? So many. The flip side, yeah, there's a bit of a learning curve. You'll probably have that moment where you're like, wait, how do I do that again? Then Slack. So it integrates with other document apps, which is handy, but it doesn't have much going on in-house. Limited documentation, pretty basic. Coda seriously wins this round. If you love organizing stuff, this is the spot. All right, on to project management. Starting with Coda, you've got workflow automation and built-in task management, which feels surprisingly robust. But if you want something fancy like sprint planning, you might feel it's not perfect. For Slack, well, it can hook into project management apps, and it works, but it's not really designed for it natively. So you kind of feel you're plugging holes with third-party stuff. Winner? Coda again, no contest. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Both Coda and Slack are totally cloud-based. That means you can switch between home, office, or, I don't know, your favorite coffee shop. No problem. Flexibility for days. Let's talk money. Pricing. Coda first, honestly, it's pretty cost-effective for what you get. If you're wanting to consolidate several tools, it's a solid bang for your buck. But just a heads up, that free version, it has some limits, so keep an eye out. Slack, on the other hand, does have a super robust free plan, which is awesome, but as soon as your team blows up in size, paid plans can get expensive, fast. Overall, Coda's pricing edges out for most teams. Okay, last up, integrations. With Coda, you've got over 600 integrations via packs and a wild selection of community-made packs too. Sounds awesome, right? Well, not every integration is perfect, so there's that. Now, Slack. Oh man, thousands of integrations out there. If you want strong community support, this is it. But honestly, sometimes the choices are overwhelming. You just want to get your stuff done fast, not browse apps for hours. On balance, Coda wins this one for making things feel manageable. If you're a visual learner like me, check this out. The side-by-side radar chart of scores tells the whole story. Slack's got that mega edge on communication, but Coda keeps pulling ahead everywhere else. Documentation, project management, integrations, and yeah, pricing. So, summing it up, if your team basically lives in chat and just wants to talk, Slack is the easy pick. But if you need docs, project tools, spreadsheets, all rolled into one place, Coda's the clear winner here. It's more than just simple texts. It's like an all-in-one productivity engine. Depends what you need, right? Want more tips and in-depth looks at productivity apps? Stick around, hit subscribe, and I'll keep the comparisons coming. You don't want to miss the next one.